Eyewitness News is your local election headquarters, and next week, Massachusetts voters will have 3 statewide ballot measures to consider.
Eyewitness News reporter Steph Machado is here now to explain the hotly debated Question 1, why a patient safety law is so controversial.
Right now, Massachusetts only mandates safe staffing levels for nurses in the ICU. The controversial ballot question would mandate nurse-to-patient ratios in all parts of the hospital.
Patient limits mean more time with your nurse.
The commercials are playing non-stop. Video of nurses appearing in ads both for and against Question 1.
At the end of the day, if this ballot measure passes, patients would be put at risk.
The measure on the Massachusetts ballot would limit the number of patients per nurse in hospitals. The limits depend on the unit and condition of patient. For example, 1 nurse per patient under anesthesia, or 5 patients per nurse if the patients are non-urgent and stable.
The one thing that this does different is it really, for the first time, gives a vote to people and puts them in control of health care.
The Massachusetts Nurses Association says the staffing limits are needed for patient safety, but hospitals say the law would come with exorbitant costs as they would need to hire more nurses to meet the ratios, and nurses are in short supply. An analysis conducted by the state's Independent Health Policy Commission found it could cost between $676 million and $949 million per year, and the study found community hospitals would be the most affected.
What we would have to do in order to comply with the regulation is to cut back about 1/3 of our beds, which would mean for us a $2.5 million revenue loss on our bottom line, and we're a break-even charitable organization.
Julie Pinkham with the Nurses Association criticized the new report as relying too much on industry data and not on safety needs.
If I have 4 patients and you put on your call button, I can get to you. If I have 8, you wait. What happens when you wait? Sometimes something bad happens.
And after that report came out detailing the impacts of Question 1, Governor Charlie Baker said he would vote no on the measure. His Democratic opponent, Jay Gonzalez, has previously expressed support. If passed, the new law would go into effect on January 1st. I'm Steph Machado, Eyewitness News.